Let's start by soaking 1.5 cup chickpeas in water overnight or for at least 6 hours. Now let's add the soaked chickpeas into a pressure cooker and cook it for 3 whistles on high flame or until the chickpeas are cooked well. Next step is to make tahini. This is a very important ingredient in hummus. Heat a pan on low flame and add white sesame seeds into it and dry roast them. The sesame seeds start spluttering and also changes its color lightly. That's when we can remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down. Once cooled, add the sesame seeds into a mixer jar and grind. Then add olive oil into it. We can take olive oil and sesame seeds in 1:1 or 1:2 ratio. Just that the consistency of tahini will change accordingly. So preparations are done. Now let's make hummus. Take a mixer jar and add the boiled chickpeas. Into it, add juice of 1.5 lemon or 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now into it, add 3 to 4 medium-sized garlic cloves. Then 2 to 3 tablespoons of tahini, 1 tablespoon of Greek yogurt or hung curd. This is optional. If you do not have, you can skip this. Salt to taste. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Cumin seeds 1 teaspoon and grind well. Now add little by little olive oil and grind until we get a smooth paste. This is hummus. We can store the hummus in an airtight container in a refrigerator for a week. As and when needed, scoop it out onto a plate, maybe 2 to 3 tablespoons, and then spread evenly in circular motion and then drizzle little bit of olive oil on top. I have seen hummus being served this way in many restaurants. I love to have hummus along with chips. It also works really good as a sandwich spread or as a side in green salad. Options are plenty with hummus. Please do try this at home and enjoy with family and friends.